Stay ahead of employment regulations with diligent labor law firms in Vietnam. In the dynamic landscape of Vietnam's business environment, staying abreast of employment regulations is crucial for the success and sustainability of enterprises. As the country experiences rapid economic growth and international integration, the complexities of labor laws become more pronounced. To navigate this intricate terrain and ensure compliance with evolving regulations, businesses are turning to diligent labor law firms in Vietnam. In this article, we will explore the significance of staying ahead of employment regulations, the challenges posed by labor laws in Vietnam, and how diligent labor law firms play a pivotal role in helping clients stay compliant and mitigate risks. The importance of staying ahead of Vietnam's employment landscape is subject to a myriad of regulations that cover various aspects, including recruitment, contracts, working hours, wages, and termination procedures. Staying ahead of these regulations is essential for several reasons. 1. Legal compliance. Employment regulations are in place to protect the rights of both employers and employees. Adhering to these regulations ensures legal compliance and prevents potential legal issues that could harm the reputation and financial stability of businesses. 2. Risk mitigation. The business environment is fraught with risks, and non-compliance with labor laws can lead to severe consequences such as fines, legal disputes, and damage to the organization's brand. Proactive compliance efforts help mitigate these risks and create a stable and secure work environment. 3. Employee relations. Adhering to employment regulations fosters positive employee relations. It demonstrates an organization's commitment to treating its workforce fairly, which in turn enhances employee morale, productivity, and loyalty. 4. Operational efficiency. Understanding and complying with employment regulations contribute to operational efficiency. It helps organizations streamline HR processes, avoid disruptions, and focus on their core business activities. Challenges posed by labor laws in Vietnam. While employment regulations are designed to protect the rights of workers, they can pose challenges for businesses operating in Vietnam. Some of the key challenges include: 1. Complexity and changes. Vietnam's labor laws are intricate, and they undergo frequent changes. Navigating this complexity requires a deep understanding of the legal framework and a commitment to staying updated on any legislative amendments. 2. Diverse workforce. Vietnam boasts a culturally diverse workforce, and understanding the nuances of managing and complying with labor laws for various employee demographics is a challenge. It requires a tailored approach to human resource management. 3. Language barriers. For foreign businesses operating in Vietnam, language barriers can be a significant challenge. Employment regulations are often published in Vietnamese, and understanding the legal nuances becomes challenging without proficient language skills. The role of diligent labor law firms in Vietnam. Diligent labor law firms in Vietnam play a pivotal role in helping clients navigate the complexities of employment regulations. Here's how they contribute to staying compliant and mitigating risks. 1. Legal expertise. Interpretation of regulations. Labor law firms possess a deep understanding of Vietnam's labor laws and can interpret complex regulations, ensuring that clients comprehend their obligations and rights. Updates and changes. Staying informed about changes in legislation is a core function of these firms. They provide clients with timely updates, ensuring that organizations are aware of and can adapt to any amendments in employment regulations. 2. Tailored compliance strategies. Customized compliance plans. Diligent labor law firms develop customized compliance plans tailored to the specific needs and characteristics of each client. This includes industry-specific considerations and the nuances of managing a diverse workforce. Risk assessments. Conducting regular risk assessments helps identify potential areas of non-compliance. By understanding the unique risks associated with each client, labor law firms in Vietnam can develop proactive strategies to mitigate these risks. 3. Cross-cultural understanding. Navigating cultural nuances. With a deep understanding of local culture, these firms help bridge the gap between foreign businesses and the Vietnamese workforce. This includes navigating cultural nuances in employment relations and ensuring that global organizations align with language assistance, overcoming language barriers. Labor law firms in Vietnam provide language assistance, translating legal documents and ensuring that clients fully comprehend the implications of employment regulations. 4. Dispute resolution and litigation support. Conflict resolution. In the event of employment-related disputes, labor law firms in Vietnam provide support for conflict resolution. This includes mediation and negotiation to reach amicable solutions that minimize the impact on the organization. Litigation defense. If legal action is unavoidable, labor law firms in Vietnam offer robust litigation defense. Their expertise in labor law ensures that clients are well represented, increasing the likelihood of a favorable outcome. 5. Training and education. Employee training. Diligent labor law firms provide training sessions for clients' HR teams and employees. These sessions enhance awareness of employment regulations, promoting a culture of compliance within the organization. Educational resources. Offering educational resources, such as handbooks and guidelines, these labor law firms in Vietnam empower clients with the knowledge needed to proactively manage employment-related matters. In conclusion, the intricate nature of Vietnam's employment regulations requires businesses to adopt a proactive approach to compliance. Diligent labor law firms in Vietnam serve as invaluable partners in this endeavor, offering legal expertise, tailored compliance strategies, cross-cultural understanding, and support in dispute resolution. By engaging with these firms, businesses can not only stay ahead of employment regulations but also create a workplace environment that is legally sound, culturally sensitive, and conducive to long-term success. As Vietnam continues to attract businesses from around the globe, the role of labor law firms becomes increasingly vital in fostering a harmonious and compliant law firm in Vietnam. We help clients overcome cultural barriers and achieve their strategic and financial outcomes, while ensuring the best interest rate protection, risk mitigation, and regulatory compliance. Ant Lawyers has lawyers in Ho Chi Minh City, Hanh, and Da Nang, and will help customers in doing business in Vietnam.